come on in. You know, one of the things that I've been very, very blessed with and very fortunate to have is a lot of great mentors, a lot of great support, a lot of great people around me throughout my career. When I was working for another company or other companies, and then you know, in business myself, and it's in that same vein that I offer this same opportunity to everybody else. I really believe in giving back. I'm one of those consummate volunteers. I'm always trying to do something to improve our, you know, our industry, our organization, the whole development, business as a whole. And I really think passing along the knowledge is one of the best things that I can offer to everybody else. So, you know, it's to bring you guys in as people who are wanting to become LEED accredited, people that are LEED accredited, that haven't had the opportunity to actually build a certified building and opening it up here. This is only the second one in town right now. The first one's what you're in. So that we are aware of that it should be finished this year. And you know, a little bit selfishly, I won't say that there's no reason why I'm not doing this, but it's also the hey, look, MBI K2M, we're actually a company here, 27 people. We're actually one of the largest architecture firms in town. Most people haven't ever even heard of us. So I think it's just to be honest and open. It's, you know, a little bit about who we are as well. So the development process, striking a new path, you know, kind of setting out. We've been renters in the warehouse district. We're currently over on Superior Avenue now, and really wanted to, like I mentioned earlier, own our own structure and kind of control our own face, as it may be. The current office that we're in tends to be a little warm. Marty can attest to this. Some days it can be 85, 90 degrees, and there's no on or off button. It's
and
just
some days it's
heat.
50.
Yes. So it was one of the big things for staff that we wanted to really have a good control system. Partner in the community is one of the things we do in all of the locations where we are, is we are an active participant in our community, and really feel it important that we invest in kind of neighborhood spaces. Our Key West office is in such a space, our Charlotte office is, and our Cleveland offices. This is exactly the type of environment that I envision, you know, kind of our architecture firm and the type of people that we have. Really, this is the best place for us. You know, I mentioned earlier on, in terms of our partner relationships, it was very easy for us, and it's based on trust. You know, I said that was our mission, and we've developed those types of relationships throughout our careers. The three folks that just walked in are from a mining construction company, and without them, this project would be impossible to finish. Not just from the sticks and the bricks and actually putting the screws to studs, but really working with me throughout the course of the design and honing down the cost estimating process. They have been instrumental. They've also been instrumental in helping us accurately document throughout the entire course of construction and demolition every little piece that's been taken out of the building and put into the building. We actually had Ross Bees, we'll talk a little about this next time, but we have a 95%, not a really reuse rate, but it's diversion from the landfill. And
95% by the end of demolition and construction, which is huge.
Yeah. I asked what was left. Anybody have an idea what was left? 5%?
Dirt.
Dirt and little tiny pieces of wiring that they just couldn't scrap. That's all that was left. It's essentially the dust out of the building. So,
well, actually, the last load we were at 100%. I'm just
Last
looking.
look, yeah. They
you
said
go.
that you guys have been phenomenal.
yep. So bravo.
Yeah.
And then, of course, investing in our ingenuity, new ideas, technologies. We're trying to